Hey YouTube, wagwan! Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're gonna go ahead and install some door welcome light, or they call them projector projection light. That's what Tesla call them, but I normally install these on my cars and they were called welcome logo lamp. So we're gonna install a projection lamp. So this is what they come in the box. This is what it is. So it comes in the box and it's like 2 in each box, and you have 4 on each door. So now you have 4 for the 4 doors, 2 for the front, 2 for the back. So I just go ahead and order 4 of them. So you're gonna see it said right, and you're gonna also see where it said left hand right here. It said left hand on this one, and it said right on this one. So there you go. Right, if you lift down, I say left. So let's see what else we get in the box. So with this installation process, you should start from the left door and then you go to the right door, and then you want to make sure you do it with the windows down, all the way down, and go from there. So you can see the light on the ground right there, and it's up underneath here. So what we're gonna do is, let me show you the light before and after. Alright, so we get a flathead screwdriver, or you can put tape around it if you don't want to damage the door. So there you go. And then you want to squeeze the top right here and unplug it just like that. So you can see this is the left side, and this is the old part, and this is the new part. So get this. We're gonna plug it in. So now we can see the logo already start to show on the ground. It's a little bit bigger, so it's kind of hard to go in there, but you gotta work your way in. And the logo is very crispy on the ground too. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna slide it in. So the trick is, don't push it all the way up too fast, too early. Try to get it in first, like that, and then snap it in. So guys, you can see it right there. You can see that's what it's gonna look like, and it's really crisp and high definition, so you can know it's like good quality. Let me go close to it so you can see how sharp the cutoff line is. And this is not a level surface, by the way, but you can see it in my hand. It's really crispy. So we're gonna lower the other side, and then do the same thing over there. So same thing with this side. Make sure your window is lowered, and you're gonna pry from the front part of the door. So the trick is, don't push it all the way up too fast, too early. try to get it in first like that, and then snap it in, and there you go. So you can see it said the manual door release use, which I didn't use it, so that's why you want to make sure your window down when you're doing it, and then you can test the function of it. So you can see it lower the window go up, window go down. So there you go, and it doesn't say it anymore. Let's test the function from out here. There you go. And drop back. So that's the front door, and that's the rear door. You see this? You get more light from the rear, but you get a crispy text from the front. Which I really don't care about the light. So the installation process is the same for the front and the back. So also don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.